Hello everyone and welcome to Droid Customs, another video. In this video we will see how we can customize the normal looking home screen of any Android phone into an Black Panther home screen setup. So if you found this video interesting, don't forget to check it out till the end. And a quick reminder, all the apps used in this video for the home screen setup are having the links in the description. Don't forget to check them out. Now first step is to open Nova Launcher, select Browse. After selecting it, select main Black Panther file and apply it on your home screen so that you can get the same setup which is on my home screen now. The second step is to tap and hold your home screen for a few seconds. Then tap on settings, then select look and feel. In look and feel, select the icon theme and then select the Linux free icon pack which you have downloaded from the links given in the description below. After this you will get the similar icon pack. So now it's time to apply the Black Panther wallpaper which is from the app known as Amulet Walls. This app has been mentioned in my previous video known as 4 best wallpaper apps. If you had not checked it out, do check it out. Along with this, the link of the wallpaper is given in my description, so you can download from there also. So now the wallpaper has been applied and our home screen is looking really stunning and only one step is remaining, so let's move to it. So now to complete the final step of the setup, it's to tap on the widget, then select the minimalism and select the widget number 004 and check its scale is 100 and then save it. Now we have completed whole setup of Black Panther which is looking really aesthetic as well as minimal. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video and find it interesting, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Like this video, share with your friends and do comment your favorite part or your suggestion in the comment box below.